How you doing today? Welcome to Railroad Crossings, Ontario. Today on Railroad Crossings, Ontario, I've been sitting at the train station now for about 5-6 hours. It feels like anyways, but I'm sure it's less than that. I got a quarter and a dime I'm gonna put on the tracks for you so we can see if it crushes that. So set it right there. Can you see it? And we'll come see her after. So hopefully you enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit that notification if you do. And if you want, check out Lake Freighters and Boats, my other channel there if you want to see that, I guess, if you can.
Oh, I see light.
If you don't have to, you don't have to. But anyways, here it comes. So we're gonna get set up here and she should be here momentarily. So have a good day and we'll see you on the next one.